Alright, so in the last video I went over the basic notes on how to do the graphical method, and I walked you through the easiest type of problem. In this in this video I'm going to walk you through two harder problems. This one's harder because it has one angle that's over 90 degrees. And this one is hard because it has three arrows, one over 90 and one over 180, which means we got to do that little flip upside down thing. So, we're going to start with this one. I'm going to go kind of fast, but remember, this is a video. So you can, pause it, rewatch whenever you want. Alright, so let's see. I see 25 and I see 50. I'm going to go ahead and say that my scale here is going to be divide by 5. Okay, that means that I'm going to have 5 centimeters at 20 degrees. And I'm going to have 10 centimeters at 100 degrees. Alright, and now we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start right there because I can. Alright, let's see. Protractor goes right there. 20 degrees, huh? Alright, that's there. Whoops. Notice how it's not perfectly lined up. I'm going to try again. 20. Alright. Okay, and line that up. Okay, and I want this to be 5 long. Alright, so I'm going to do that there to there. Beautiful. Remember that now I'm there, though. Okay, so now I go over here, stick it at my new spot. As lined up as I can make it. And now I'm going to make my dot at 100 degrees. Alright, so 0 to 90 to 100, just past. You know what? I messed that up again. Hit it. There we go. Okay, so. And I want this one there to be 10 long. Alright? So. And there we go. And now I'm going to do beginning to end. And I need the length. Okay, I can't make it perfect, but it looks like it's going to be 12. So 12 centimeters. Okay, and now I need the angle, so I put this back at the beginning. And this looks like 76 to me. So at 76 degrees. Not quite done yet, though. I divided by 5 by 4, so now I get to multiply by 5. And that gives me times 5 equals 60 newtons at 76 degrees. The angle stays the same. Ta-da! Alright, one more. the hardest one, because there are 3 arrows. Okay, so let's see, 48, 56, and 80. I happen to know that these are all divisible by 8. Mainly I know that because, I wrote the problem. So for my scale, I am going to divide everything by 8. Okay, so let's see, 48 divided by 8 is 8. 56 divided by 8 divided by 8, 7. Oh, wait, sorry. That's why things didn't make sense. It equals 6 and 7, and 80 divided by 8 is 10. Alright, so I got 6 centimeters, I got 7 centimeters, and I got 10 centimeters. Alright, at these lovely angles. Got to 50 degrees. At 130 degrees. And at 15 degrees. Now, it does not matter what order you do these in. Doesn't matter. I'm going to do them top to bottom, just because. Alright, so I'm going to choose my spot. I'm going to make it a little higher than normal, because I know I'm going to go down. So I'm going to do it, there, should be good. Alright, first step, I need to find 250 degrees. Uh-oh, this only goes to 180. So I gotta flip it upside down. Alright, now, here's the confusing part. This is 180. This is not 170. This is 80. This is 10 away from 180. This is 190. 200. 210. So on. Alright, so I want 250. So if that's 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. Alright, which makes sense because according to my picture, my compass, straight down is 270. So, that looks pretty good. Alright, I'm going to fix my protractor now. Alright, and now let's see, I want 6 centimeters. Alright, so let's see. Alright, now I want 6 centimeters. So I'm going to put 6 right at the beginning. And continue down to the 0 mark. Notice how it doesn't touch the dot. It can, but in this case it doesn't. Alright, and now I'm there. 7 centimeters at 130. So let's see, I'm going to put this here. 90, so 130 is there. Alright, cool. Line that up. And I want this to be 7 centimeters long. So 0 to 7. See, that time I went through the dot, and that's okay. Alright, and now I'm here. I'm not done yet, because I got one more to do. There, 10, 20, 15's right in between the two. Oh, that's 16. There we go. And now... let's see, I want this to be 10 long, so I'm going to go from... 10. Alright. And you can tell that I didn't do that perfectly. I'm close enough. So now I'm going to go beginning to end. Put this back at the beginning. Oh, you know what? That's not long enough for me to read. This is why a good scale is important. I would say the scale is too small. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, when I draw this line, I'm just going to make it extra long. I'm still only going to measure beginning to end, but by drawing it extra long, it'll make it really, really easy to measure the angle. All right, so that looks like 32 degrees. All right, so I got 32 degrees. Now I just need to know what the length is. All right, so that over there. Oh, wait. Yep, nope, sorry, I did it right. This is my beginning. Remember, if you measure at end to beginning by accident, you're going to get the wrong angle. So I just double-checked in my head real fast, but I am measuring it right. So now for the length, that looks to me like 39, so 3.9. So 3.9 centimeters at 32 degrees. Okay, so I divided by 8 before, so I'm going to multiply by 8 now, and that gives me my final answer, 3.9 times 8 equals 31.2. 31.2 newtons at 32 degrees. And there you go. Easy problem, medium level problem, hard problem. And you could do this for as many arrows as you want. I'm only going to ever ask you to do 3. Alright, hope that was helpful.